Hi Edwin, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy your testimonials over to your Facebook page and schedule them so that they show up one every week. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your client reviews page, and I am going to copy your first testimonial, and then you're going to want to open up, go to your home page and open up your Facebook page in a new tab. I already have it open right here. So once you get to your Facebook page, you're going to click on write a post. Now I am not an admin on your page, so I can't show you this from your page because it's not going to give me the same options. So I'm going to go to my Facebook page to show you what it would look like for you. So just click on write a post and then paste your testimonial in here. Edit it any way that you want. If you want to put, 5 stars underneath it or something like that. I would highly recommend only using first name, last initial for privacy reasons. You can get in a lot of trouble for that. So that's something that really should be changing on your client reviews as well. The last names should go unless you have permission from those people to use their last names on your websites, because that's actually a really big deal about privacy right now. So actually, let me grab the rest of that. So, all right. So as if I was posting this, this is how I would do it. So edit it any way that you want. And then you're going to come right here and where it says share now, you're going to click on that and you're going to say schedule. And then you're going to schedule it for the date that you want to do it. So if you wanted to do one a week, one a day, whatever, you can put it in here, put the time that you want to post it, and then hit schedule. Now, I'm not going to hit schedule because it'll actually post it to mine, but that's what you're going to do. Then you're going to go grab another one, come back here, click create a post, do the same thing, and schedule again. And keep doing that until you've copied all of your client reviews over into your page and posted them and scheduled them for the next however long it is. And that's it. It's pretty easy. If you have any questions, let us know.